Hi guys, I am back today with UberChic Beauty's Art Deco Flair, and oh my gosh, if you have been following me for any length of time, you know I love anything Art Deco. So this plate, I'm almost as excited about this plate as I get about Halloween plates. There's just so much awesome here. Okay, so one of the things that I love about Deco is that it is instant, easy elegance. So with a plate like this, I feel like you can stamp an image like this. You can stamp this in gold over white, and you have the most elegant mani you will ever have, and you have it in 30 seconds. Same thing, silver over black, you know, whatever. You could do this in like a light green over a blue. So you know, fancy techniques, of course, like you could go in here and you could lead light and do like some different colors in a couple of the rows, or, you know, do some of these little swirls in, you know, some colors and some in a different color. You could put these over smoosh manis. You could put them over, you know, anything like that, but you don't have to get the most amazing results. So as always, she gives you these beautiful, you know, little extras in the center here that you can mix and match with the other designs. So you could have like this on one nail, you can put this in the half moon area of the other. So you got that kind of design flexibility where you don't have to try to, like, there's no way you could pull this element out of this image here. So here you can play with that element without having to mess around or try to mess around with that image. I love that she does that. Another thing I love about this plate are these, because seriously guys, look at the French tips that you're going to be able to do with that. Like, you could just do that over the French tip and that would be cute. Or you could, you know, put a band of white and then stamp this along the edge in gold, or you could put a band of white and stamp it along the edge in, you know, silver or blue, or have a band of blue and stamp it in green. Especially I think this one and this one have sort of like a almost like an underwater kind of feel, or but seriously, like with all of these, how amazing is that for a French tip? Because even if like your band of white that you put on your nail isn't quite exactly perfect, you're going to stamp this over it and it's going to help hide anything that you do that's not exactly perfect. So like I would use, you know, some sort of guide to put, or you can use a stamp to do like a little French tip. But even if you hand draw it, when you've got something beautiful like this to put over it, you're just gonna, you know, be able to get rid of almost any kind of imperfections that you have. And these are just all so beautiful. I love it. Oh my goodness. So yeah, and especially you can mix and match French tips and with these other designs. Amazing. So of course our full nail images are always 1.7 by 2.1 centimeters, and then let's do a quick little look here with the ruler so you can get a look at that. There you go, that way. So I'm actually not going to say a whole lot about this other than that. I'm just going to say that to me this is the, you know, for beginners, this would be an awesome plate because you can do so many amazing things with it without knowing anything fancy. And other than that, I am just going to pull out some swatch sticks and put together a few looks. All right, be right back. Okay, I will link everything down below, and thank you for watching.